Good morning, guys. Welcome to another episode of Rad Dad Toolbox. Today I'm going to show you how to shave like a boss and do it probably in about 2 to 3, maybe 4 minutes with a gust of wind. But anyway, let's get started and show you exactly what we're going to be using today and how I get a baby's bum smooth face. So here we go. Okay, so I like to use, I've tried everything known to man. And by the way, I want to let you know this video is not sponsored by Harry's, which I'll be talking about here in just a minute. But I want to talk to you about how I've shaved in the past. I have tried virtually everything, the foams, the gels, the tubes of cream, all that kind of stuff. And I circled back to this, and I did this a couple years ago, and I absolutely love it. So first of all, I think it's, I don't know if it's camel hair. I'm not sure, the brand's kind of funky on here, but you can get them off Amazon or eBay, little kit, and it's just a shave brush, and then it comes with a little rack, and I am using a Harry's razor. Again, this is not sponsored by Harry's. The blade's a little old on this one, so I'm going to show you how to pop in a new one. And then I have a little stainless bowl, and this just sits either by my sink or underneath my sink, and it's got like a goat's milk soap that really foams up nice, which I'll show you here in a second, that just does a great job in keeping the blades nice and close. And then of course, like I say, I'm not sponsored by Harry's, but I absolutely love these blades. I get them at Walmart. This is an 8-pack, 5-blade cartridges. So let's go ahead and open that up and take a look at these blades and how to put them on the razor. Okay, let's go ahead and open these up. They come in a really nice little case here. They have the individual cases. I'm sticking here. Let me see if I can get this out. There we go. And then it has two 4-blade containers here. And so let me show you how we put it on the razor. Okay, we just pop that open. And I'm going to take the old blade, and these are pretty slick. They just pop right off. You just go like that and huck that one, and then you just slide the handle right into that right there, and voila, you have a brand new blade. So let's get down to business. Okay, step one is we want to get our face nice and wet with very warm water to soften up our beard. So here we go. And I do this 3 times. And I do get water all over the counter, which drives my wife nuts, so I make sure and wipe that up. Okay, once that's done, we're gonna take that little foam brush, or that little brush, not foam brush, sorry, and then we're gonna get this nice and foamy like that, and then we're going to apply it to our face. So here's how I put it on my face. Just really quick, nice, goes on really fast. That's the other thing I like about it. I don't have time to shave for 20 minutes, so I just do it just like this, and it does really, really good. Okay, we're all lathered up, so let's go ahead and do the shave now. Okay, I'm gonna attempt to do this one-handed, so we'll see how this goes. But I pull down from the top on the sides, go right along the edge there. We're rinsing each time, and then I do the other side. Same thing. Goes nice and quick. And then the mustache area, be careful around the lips. You don't want to cut those, because somehow I know about that. Watch your chin. Make sure you round the corners there. And then on the neckline, it's really easy. It's just an up stroke like that. And literally from the time I started foaming up my face to being done, took me about a minute and a half. Then I just take a towel and wipe it all down. And smooth as silk. And here's the best part of a good shave.
Smooth as a baby.
Hey guys, thanks for joining me on the super smooth baby face shave program today. If you like what you see, please subscribe and smash that like button. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. And always remember, Can you do it? Abso-flippin'-lutely. Till next time.